We will often want to calculate the intersection of two lines. Any two lines that don't have the same slope cross at a single point, just like the lines shown here. This intersection is what we call an ordered pair of points that satisfy both equations. These points are sometimes called the solution to the system of equations. We will refer to the solution as the pair x star, y star. If we have both equations, the easiest way to find their intersection is to use substitution. Let's go over this method. Suppose we are given two equations, y equals f of x and y equals g of x. Since we're looking for the ordered pair x star, y star that satisfies both equations, we know the y value for each equation must be equal. So, since y must equal y, f of x must equal g of x. Once we set both of these functions equal to each other, we'll be able to solve for x star. We can then plug x star back into either original equation, f of x or g of x, and solve for y star. Let's look at an example. Suppose we want to find where the lines y equals 8 minus 2x and x equals minus 2 plus y intersect. Using the method of substitution, we first want to solve each equation for y. The first is done. Solving the second for y using algebra, we obtain y equals x plus 2. Now we set both expressions of x equal to each other and solve for x star. So we set 8 minus 2x equal to x plus 2. Using algebra, we get 6 equals 3x. Dividing by 3, we find x star is 2. To find y star, plug x star into either equation. Let's use the first. The first equation was y equals 8 minus 2x. We're looking for y star, and so we can just plug in x star, which we found was 2, for the x value in this function. Once we solve for y, we see that y star is 4. So the intersection is at the point 2, 4, just like we see here on this graph. And that's the end of the review where we learn how to solve two linear equations.